You know that feeling when you have the perfect clean setup, all the AV gear is hidden away in a cabinet,
Mm-hmm.
but then you grab the remote and you're doing that awkward arm-waving thing, trying to find the one magic angle where it actually works.
Oh, I know it well. It's the classic battle between aesthetics and, well, physics. Infrared is just light. It doesn't go through a solid oak door.
Exactly. So today we're doing a deep dive on a piece of kit that basically calls a truce in that war.
I like that.
We're looking at the Kramer PT-5R IR extender and repeater.
Which is a bit of a mouthful, yeah. But its job is simple. It takes the infrared signal and makes it go places it really has no business going.
And it's not using some kind of, wireless magic. This is all about twisted pair technology.
Right. It's using cables that are probably already in your walls. Standard stuff like CT5 with those familiar RJ45 connectors.
Okay, so let's get into the hardware. The source material is clear that this isn't something you buy just one piece of.
No, it's a dedicated pair. You have the PT5T, which is the transmitter.
That's the one near you with the remote.
Exactly. It has a little eye that picks up the signal. Then you have the PT-5R, the receiver, which lives with your hidden equipment.
And the twisted pair cable connects the two. Now, this is the part of the spec sheet that really jumped out at me. Your typical IR extender gets you, what, 10, maybe 20 feet?
If you're lucky, yeah. And with a clear line.
This one,
Hmm.
the documentation says up to 250 meters.
250.
That's over 800 feet. That's That's not just for getting through a cabinet.
No, not at all. That completely changes the game. This is for, like, a commercial space. You could be in a third-floor office controlling equipment in a basement server rack.
It just totally decouples where you are from where your gear is. But let's talk about how much gear. It's not just a one-to-one system, is it?
Far from it. That's another really strong feature. The whole system can control up to 5 different devices.
Okay, so walk me through that. How does that signal path work?
So you start with the PT5T, the transmitter. It takes the input from that IR receiver eye you're pointing your remote at, but it also has outputs for 2 local IR emitters. So you can stick those on 2 devices right there in the room with you.
Ah, okay. So it's a repeater too.
Yeah.
And then the main signal goes down that 800-foot cable.
Right. It goes all the way to the PT5R, the receiver unit, and that box splits the signal out to 3 more emitters.
So 2 local, 3 remote, that's 5 total.
5 total. And the kit comes with all 5 of those little emitter cables and the receiver eye. It's all in the box.
I saw a really interesting detail in the list of supported devices. It has the usual things, DVD players, amps, but then it specifically lists air conditioners.
Yeah, that caught my eye too. It's a great little detail. It tells you about the flexibility of the carrier frequency it supports.
It's operated between 36 and 40 kilohertz, right?
Exactly. And that range covers most of your standard AV stuff, but it also covers a ton of other equipment, HVAC units, for example.
So you could have an AC unit mounted like way up high on a wall in a lobby.
Precisely. And instead of getting a ladder, you just run one of these extenders down to the front desk. Full control.
It's like turning a dumb appliance into a piece of integrated tech, but without needing an app or a Wi-Fi connection.
Yep. Just a simple, reliable wire.
Speaking of simple, with all this repeating and extending, is it drawing a lot of power?
It's tiny. Negligible. It's 5 volts DC, and the transmitter only pulls about 7 milliamps. The receiver pulls 6. You literally set it up and forget it exists.
So to pull this all together, the PT-5RT is really a bridge. It takes a signal that's limited by line of sight, converts it, sends it over a huge distance on a standard cable, and then blasts it out to 5 different devices.
It's the ultimate solution to AV clutter. You can finally put your equipment where it belongs, out of sight.
So what here for me is just that. It's control without compromise. You get the clean room and the remote actually works.
I'd agree. But I have one final thought on that air conditioner detail.
Go for it.
You know, we always think building automation has to be this super complex IP-based smart home network.
Right, with hubs and apps and updates.
Exactly. And this thing is a reminder that sometimes the most powerful and reliable solution is just a really, really long wire carrying a very simple signal. It's a low-tech backbone for what feels like a high-tech experience.